My handwriting went from this to this using these four
So here are
tips.
4 tips for you to improve your handwriting. So the step one is to
Don't
start
try to
from a
write like a
beginner, not from
professional on your first
professionalism.
day. Every beautiful handwriting start with basics. Focus on writing slowly and correctly instead of writing fast on your first day. When your foundation becomes smooth, handwriting will improve naturally.
So the step two is to maintain the consistent space between
The
every
secret
alphabet
of
in a
neat
letter.
writing is consistent spacing. Keep equal space between every letter and word. If spacing is too small or too large, writing will look untidy and broken. A little attention to spacing of your letter can make big difference in your beginner and a professional
Step three
handwriting.
is to keep every letter with the same size.
Make sure your letters have same size throughout the page because same size letter make your handwriting more professional and now the
Elegantly
most
beautiful.
important and final step of your writing is to practice regularly. Practice is a key to improvement. You don't need to spend about hours to write, just spend 10 to 15 minutes a day to improve your handwriting, to improve your paragraph handwriting carefully. Daily practice builds muscles, memory, and improve your handwriting faster than occasional long proved session. So practice regularly